Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about how to become overweight really fast. So many people don't want this to happen to them, and certainly I'm one of those people who do not want to become overweight at all. Being fit is very important to the human body, and becoming and being overweight can hinder the feeling of you being the best version of yourself. So, today I'm going to tell you how to become overweight in very little time. It's summer break. So, it's summer break and you're ready for all the fun that comes with it, right? I'm sure everyone is. First, you eat and drink whatever you want throughout the day. Secondly, you binge watch all the TV shows you missed during the school year. Lastly, you don't exercise because it's too hot to go outside. And also, your car doesn't have AC. Now, keep in mind, these are just some reasons. It's not the whole thing, it's not the whole package. So bear with me. Okay. Being fit and being healthy, really good for you. Okay. Eat and drink as you please. Some foods can include hamburgers, hot dogs, beef patties, bread, fried chicken, um, corn dogs, fries, you know, all the all the good stuff that we all love. So, I mean, they're all good, but not all of them should be eaten. All right, drinks. We have pop, beers, wine, tea, anything but water. Now, I don't have all of those examples on here, but as I said, drinks anything but water, can be really devastating to your body. So make sure you kind of mix it up if you're gonna, if you're gonna do that stuff. Um, so as you can see, a lot of people love these drinks, but they don't know how bad it is for them. Okay, binge watching TV series. Example, Netflix series like House of Cards, Sacred Games, Stranger Things, which was one of the top Netflix series last year. These Netflix series can be as long as 4 to 5 seasons and can have up to 10 to 12 episodes in each season. And these episodes can last for 45 to 55 minutes long. That's a lot of time. That can be almost up to, if you think about it, almost up to 12 hours of sitting in your bed, on your bed, and just on your computer or on your phone, just letting the day go by. So make sure you find something productive. Or if you don't want to, then that's fine. Um, Not exercising because it's hot outside. Okay, guys, we know it's hot outside. Okay, sorry, let's back up. Back to Netflix. As you can see, the Netflix is very popular and a lot of people love it. So, all right, keep your eyes out for it. Okay, the te- not exercising because it's too hot outside. Oh, the temperature is too hot outside, Zeke. I shouldn't go exercise. Okay, well, you still should. Okay, some things that people say are, oh, I'll get tanning lines. I don't want to be looking weird and, oh, what I'm saying, two colors and stuff like that, or whatever. Or my car gets too hot, or my car's AC is broken. Like, man, just put down your windows and go on with it. As you can see, temperatures in the summer can get pretty high. So don't let this be your excuse. And up here, this picture, this includes some of the reasons why you should drink this and not beer. Why you should drink water and not beer during the summer. But if you're gonna drink it, mix it up. Have both. Here, this picture just shows how some of us feel when you don't have AC in your car. So, but you should still, even though it's really hot, you should still put down your windows and just go on with it. Okay. Lastly, the gym, not exercising because the gym will be smelly. Okay, we all know, like, the gym is smelly. Okay, no matter what time in the year, and there's a lot of people that sweat and stuff like that that work out pretty hard. So that's no excuse. And the reason why. a lot of people sweat in the summer, like, it's sweating is a common thing, so a lot of people sweat. Or excuses like, oh, I'll just go at night, like this picture, oh, I'll just go at night. But then once the nighttime comes, it's all cool and chill, and you don't want to go to the gym because you have plans already. You gotta hang out with your friends, or hang out with your family, or go to the movies, or hang out by the bonfire. So that is that's one of the that's one of the reasons. Not that I showed you how to become overweight quickly. Hopefully you try and test it out yourself and see if these habits work or not. And trust me, they do work. Thank you.